Today's topic is about sleep circle, and why do we need to sleep? I think many of us know why do we need to sleep. Let's think of our brain or our body like a car engine. So when the car engine is overused, or when the cooling system of the car engine is not working properly, it can damage the engine permanently. And for human, if we are lack of sleep for some certain period of time, it can cause serious damage to our brain or to our health, which I will share later on. So there are three main things that's going on when we sleep. The first one is rest. Our brain gets rest, the temperature cool down. You know, when you use your brain a lot, it heats up, the temperature rise inside your head. So when you sleep, it's a rest, not only your brain, your body also. During the sleep, the body produces many hormones. One of them is the growth hormone, which help you to grow, especially for young kids. If you see young baby, they sleep most of the day, right? Also, it help you have stable mental function. For example, if you are lack of sleep, it is difficult. It's more difficult for you to focus on something. It is easier for your brain to get distracted, as we discussed last week. So let's see the definition of the sleep. It is a state of conscious. It is a state of mind that you are almost lost of consciousness. So I think everybody, we experience the same thing, right? We go to sleep, we remember some part, we remember that we are very sleepy, and something happened that it just gone, and we realize again when we wake up. So how does the sleep happen? Because most of the time we lost consciousness when we sleep, right? So sleep happens in terms of stages. So in this picture, you can see NREM. It stands for non-rapid eye movement. And the last one on the right, REM, which is rapid eye movement. In this stage, your eye is rapidly moving, which I will explain later. So stage one, let's say the first stage is not deep. The second stage is a bit deeper. The third stage is very deep, and the fourth stage is deep, but for your body, but not for your brain. So in the first stage, you start falling asleep, you feel sleepy, you are aware what's going on to your body. You are aware of sound around you. When it goes to the second stage, your heart rate gets slower and your body temperature cools down. This is when healing appears in the third and fourth stage. If you got damage, maybe your body, your muscles, your brain can have some damage too. And this is the healing part that's going on. And REM will happen when your mind is working like crazy, but your body is paralyzed. Your brain blocks all the signal between the brain and body, so your body can keep relaxing, and your mind is expressing something during this stage of mind. This is when dreams happen. So let's talk about problem of sleep. There are several problems of sleep. So the one we hear a lot is insomnia, right? But insomnia is not the cause of the sleep. Is when you have long-term sleeping problem, you can call it insomnia, when it's difficult for you to go to sleep and you need a professional to help you. One of the problems is that we're waking up and we feel so sleepy, we still feel so tired, right? Some people need coffee so they can function. Sometimes we wake up fresh, but the amount of sleep we have is not enough, so we end up feeling sleepy in the daytime. Distraction, one of the common sleeping problem these days, right? Screen time is taking over your sleeping time. So the blue light frequency, it's let's say your eye is very sensitive to blue light. So when your eye see blue light, it blocks your hormone called melatonin, which makes you feel sleepy. Night terror is one of the rare problem that cause when you are in third or fourth stage, very deep sleep. Some people have night terror where they're screaming at that stage of dream. Their body move at that stage of, sorry, not stage of dream, stage of sleep. Their body move. Night terror often come with sleepwalking. Let's talk about the sleeping stage again. So in each night, we will go through many circles. One circle will take around 90 minutes approximately, different in each person. REM or dreaming gets longer and longer each round. So it is good idea to have 5 to 6 rounds a night. Designing your sleep help you have a proper round of sleep, which is more benefit to you. How much do we need to sleep? It depends on your age and it depends on medical condition. Sometimes you are old, but your medical condition requires you to have a lot of sleep. So 6 tips to improve your sleep. I will talk only 3 in here. So the first thing that I said we can design our sleep is we fix the time we wake up, not the time we go to sleep. The second one I want to talk about is on the right hand side. Breathe deeply to relax before going to sleep. So screen time, it's difficult for us to with current lifestyle, right? We are addicted to screen, or we are depending on this screen. It's become our organ, I will say that. So one trick we can do is we can find the screen protector which block blue light. It's available in the market if you search. Please buy those things and put on your screen. It will help you improve the quality of your sleep. Yeah.